Hello friends, welcome again, and my name is Chandan, and today we will discuss about static keyword in Java. What is it, what is the benefits of it, and how to use it. So static keyword in Java is used to declare method, variable, inner class as static to manage the memory. Manage the memory means when we are saying that static, that means we are talking about the memory management. So mainly used for memory management. Also you can define certain things as static. Define below things as static. Below things are comes like data members, methods, blocks, inner classes you can declare as static. And also one thing you need to remember that static defined things can be accessed without creating the object for the class in which they are present. I will show you by an example, it will get much more clear. And also the properties of static method is that a static method belongs to the class rather than object of a class. A static method can be invoked without creating an instance of a class, as I told you. And also static method can access static data member and can change the value for it. And also one thing I have told written here, one thing you need to remember that when you declare any variable as static, only once memory is getting created. Much more get cleared by an example. Let me show you by an example. So it is our previous day tutorial, and let me create a new class. I will give you an college example so that it will become much more clear. So let me give the class name as college, and also I need the main method, so I will take it here. Now it is here. Suppose I have a variable like string. I will give it name as sname, string as name. I am declaring the variable and also integer for age, and also string for college name. So I will give it as college name. Now I have created my variables. Now I will create my method. So public void details. Suppose that there is a program which will fetch the detail of students for a college, and what it will do, it will just give you the details of the student. Let me write it. Student name is, make it plus, I will give it name as s1. Let me create some arguments here. String s1 for student name, integer a1 for age, and string s2 for college name. Now as you know, we are too much lazy, so we will copy it and we will paste them here. Now student name is it, student age is a1, and college name is s2. s2. Now if I want to access this method, then I have to create an object of my class. How we will create the object? Class name, object name obj is equal to new, again class name. Okay, now the bracket will be here. Obj dot details, I will pass the parameter. I will give the name Adiraj in double comma, which is my name. You can give your name, and age, you can give any age, and also the college name. I will give it as PCCS Engineering College. PCCS Engineering College. Okay, if I will run this program, you will say that the output is very clear, that we will get the name, age and college name. But suppose that a college have a lot of the student and we need to access this method a lot of time, then each time a new space for this college name will be created, which will be common for all the students. So our memory will get more occupied. To avoid such kind of situation, what I will do, I will make it as a static. So only once memory will be created for this college name, and this value I will pass it here, and I will remove it from here, and also I will modify my program little bit, and this is something like that. Now what I have done, I have, it will be college name. What I have done, I have just declared my college name as static, so that only once memory will be used. Now if I will run the program, output will be same. Now let's run it, and you will see that output is same. So I sorry for that. So we have seen that example of static variable. Now I will show you the example of static method. Suppose that let me create a new class, it will get much more clear. I have created a new class. I will give it name, which is my name, Adhiraj, and it will open here. Now I will make this method from here to here. Okay, suppose that I want to access method details which is belongs to some other class like Chandan. Then to access this method, I have to create the object of this class. Suppose that if this is a static method, if I will declare as a static method, then we do not need to create the object to access this method. What I will do, simply I will just write my class name, which is college, and dot my this whole thing. Okay, now let give the detail, your name, which is Adhiraj, and your age, which is absolutely 27. Now if you will run this program, so advantage is that if I will declare any method as a static and I want to access this method, then I just need to give the class name dot method name, and it will be accessible without creating instance or object of the class. If I will run this, you will see the output. One thing more I want to tell you, that if you want to access this static method, then you do not need to create in the same class, then you do not need to write the class name, just write the method name and pass the parameter which is required, and run the program. You will get your output. Okay, it's all about static, and I hope that you will get much more clear about static. You can get these all details from my website, iamchandan.com. If you write here static keyword in Java, you will get on this page, and here I have written each and everything. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow we will cover the final keyword, which is also too much useful in programming. So